Morning students. So in this video we are continuing with the last video, and now we are taking question number second, first part of exercise 7.3, in which we have to find the value of k for the points are collinear. If the points are collinear, then you should know the area of triangle must be 0, because if the collinear means point must be on in same line. If they are in same line, so they are not going to form the triangle. They are not going to form the triangle. It means that area of the triangle must be equal to 0 in the case of when the points are collinear. So this is the coordinates it is given, and this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So area of triangle is what? 1 by 2, as you know, x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3, and that is y1 minus y2. So as you know, area of triangle must be 0, so this will be 0. 1 by 2, x1 is what? 7, y2 is what? 1 minus y3 is what? K plus x2 5, k minus 2 plus x3 is 3, y1 is what? 2 minus y2 is 1. So this will be your solution part. So this will be 7 minus 7k plus 5k minus 10, and 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 3 into 1 is 1. So 0 is equal to 1 by 2, and that is 7 minus 7 plus 3 plus 10 and minus 10. Okay, this I am cancelling out, don't be confused. 7 plus 3 10 minus 10 0. So minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k minus 2k. This 2 will cancel out. So 0 equal to minus k, therefore k equal to 0. So value of k is what? 0. Value of k is what? 0 for this case. Now the last question, the question number 4 we are taking, that is find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order minus 4 minus 2, then minus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 2 and 2 comma 3. Area of quadrilateral. It is already given, taken in order, area of quadrilateral. Let any type of quadrilateral you make. So this will be what? A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. A is what? Let me write firstly, minus 4 minus 2. A is what? Minus 4 minus 2, then minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5, then 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma minus 2, and then 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. So here, as you know, we are studying area of triangle, so we need to join one of its diagonal. We need to join one of its diagonal for finding out the area of this quadrilateral. So we are joining, or suppose we are joining AC. So it has divided into two triangle. It has divided into two triangle. We will find the area of this triangle, then we will find the area of this triangle, and we will add at the last for getting the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So let for triangle ABC, for triangle ABC, x1 equal to minus 4, x2 equal to minus 3 and x3 equal to 3. Similarly, y1 equal to minus 2, y2 equal to minus 5 and y3 equal to minus 2. So area of triangle equal to 1 by 2, as you know, x1 plus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, so we need to put the value. So this will be area, or simply I am writing A, capital A, or A1. Okay, del 1 I am here, triangle 1. So this is A1. So A1 value of this half, x1 is what? Minus 4, and directly here I am writing, okay, y2 minus 5, then this minus, and sorry, this y2 minus 5 minus minus plus, so minus 5 plus 2, this will be minus 3. Okay, you can calculate, you can do it carefully. Then plus x2 is what? x2 is minus 3. Now y3 is minus 2, minus of minus 1, so minus 2 plus 2, 0. This will be 0. Now plus x3 is what? 3, y1 minus 2 minus 5, so plus 5. This will be plus 3. So it will be 1 by 2, this minus minus plus, and this will be 0 totally, plus 9. So this will be 21 by 2 square unit. Now for triangle what? ACD, triangle ACD. So this will be what? Suppose we are going anti-clockwise, so we'll take like CDA. So x1 is equal to 3 and y1 equal to minus 2, x2 equal to 2 and y2 equal to 3, x3 equal to minus 4 and y3 equal to minus 2. Now here I am solving. Area of triangle 2 is equal to 1 by 2, as you know, x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, this will be. So now a2 will be what? 1 by 2 x1, value of x1. So x1 is 3 into directly y2 minus minus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, plus value of x2 2, then y3 minus y1, y3 minus 2 minus of minus plus 2, 0, so this will be 0. Then x3 is what? Minus 4 and y1 minus y2, y1 minus 2 minus 3, so minus 5. This will give 1 by 2, 15. This term will be totally 0, minus minus plus 20. So this will be 35 by 2 square unit. And finally area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to A1 plus A2, that is what? 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2, which is equal to 56 by 2, and that is what? 28 square unit. 28 square unit. So this will be final answer of your this question. This will be final answer of your this question. And make sure one mistake students are doing, they are not going as per the order. They are taking ABC, it means x1 y1, then again they are taking ACD, then it means x1 y1, again they are taking. So be careful while solving. Now I think so I have finished most of the part of your chapter. I have covered. Now rest of the questions you can practice at home, and I hope you understand. Thank you. If you find any doubt, you are free to post your comment. I will be there to solve your doubt. Thank you.